Mm. Hindi ko alam kung magkulang ba itong rice ko, guys. Kasi ang daming rice na kinuha ko. I eat a lot of rice. Again, mga ka-Indies, ayan, naka-duster talaga si Ate Inday, no? Feeling, ano talaga, feeling na rinanayan. O, diba? Kasi summer here in the Netherlands, guys. So, magpahangin. O, diba? So, mga mga ka-Indies, again, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? So, ang gagawin natin is magluluto si Ate Inday. I have to cook clams. It's my first time to eat here in the Netherlands, guys. So, one of my friend give this to me, diba, clams. Actually, guys, this one is very expensive dito sa Holland. So, isang basket is parang, isang net is parang 10 euro something. Pero, kinuha lang nila ito, mga ka-Indies. Sariling nanginhas. So, I don't know ano ito sa Bisaya or sa Tagalog. Basta it's a clams, mga ka-Indies. Clams sa English. So, lulutuin natin ito. First time ko talaga magluto dito sa Holland, mga ka-Indies. So, hindi natin alam kung ano kalasa. But, masarap talaga ito, mga ka-Indies. Taste delicious talaga itong seafoods, diba? Seafoods, yes. Shells. So, my ingredients, guys. I'm gonna show you what are my ingredients. Just very, very simple recipe, actually. So, magmukbang tayo dito mamaya. Shell. Medyo bukas na kasi inano ko siya, binabad ko siya sa tubig. So, nagbukas. We have here salt and also black pepper. And also, of course, guys, meron tayong garlic and a ginger and onion and of course, oil. So, we have here our baby spinach. That is called alugbati here. Yes, this is only my ingredients, guys. These are only my ingredients, mga ka-Indies. I have a very, very simple ingredients actually. Baby spinach. Yes? There's alugbati dito sa Netherlands, sa amin, mga ka-Indies. So, I think it's just only a very, very quick cook, mga ka-Indies. Madali ito lutuin. Pakuluin lang, just boiled, and then voila, finish. So, let's get started. So, we have to start, mga ka-Indies. So, we have to put in our fire. So, simulan na natin, mga ka-Indies. So, of course, so we have to start. It's already hot. Just only an oil. Ayan. Yes. And of course, my favorite sandok. So I have to follow the garlic. I don't know if tama ba itong ginagawa ko, mga ka-Indies. I don't know. But as long as I cook, then it's okay. the onions. We have to cook first the onion. Then I have to follow the ginger. So it's nice mga ka-indies if you have to put some ginger in it for the taste and also for the smell. O diba? Feeling talaga maalam sa Ate Inday March magluto. O diba? Ganun lang yan. May pa-feeling lang yan si Ate Inday March. Sa pa-feeling si Ate Inday March eh. Feeling nanay. O, diba? Ganyan lang yan mga ka-indies. And then, of course, we have to follow our clams. Okay. So, how many times I wash this mga ka-indies? Because there's a little bit sand. May siya, buhangin. So, you have to clean it very good. Clean it very good, guys. Yan na po. To cover it for a moment. Diba? And of course, we have here our rice mga ka-indies. Yes. Because rice is life. So without rice, patay. Talagang may rice talaga si Ate Inday. So, shout out dyan sa aking mga VIP members. Thank you so much to all of you guys. Mega shout out sa aking members dyan. Thank you so much. So, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna have to shout out all of my VIP members. Thank you so much for joining my membership. Evelyn Pavilion, Melanie Smax, mega shout out. Miss Tauros, mega shout out also Miss Tauros. Chef Peeps, By Iron Vlog, mega shout out By Iron Vlog. Kamang City TV, mega shout out Kamang City TV. Thank you so much Kamang City TV. Highlands Collection, Mera San Juan, mega shout out. Substip Stylish, mega shout out. Matthew V and Mommy V, mega shout out. Mommy and Vanity, also mega shout out Mommy and Vanity. And also mega shout out to Engineer Willie Vlog, also mega shout out to you Engineer Willie Vlog. Thank you so much. And also mega shout out also to BIM TV channel, mega shout out BIM TV channel. Buster Family, also mega shout out also to Buster Family. Mega shout out to you Sisikoy. Tinetti _74, mega shout out Tinetti _74. Marilos Pera, mega shout out to you Marilos Pera. Thank you so much. Tingnan naman natin guys kasi baka masunog ito. Ayan. We have to add. Wait muna mga ka-inday I will continue my shout out. Ayan. Not so much a lot of water. So we have to. Yes. So we have to continue our shout out to all of my VIP members. Alicia Ali, also mega shout out Alicia Ali. Tide and G, mega shout out to you also Tide and G. Thank you so much. Team Limlits, mega shout out Team Limlits. Thank you so much. And also Evelyn, California Garden and Home, mega shout out. Maria Milet Histol, also mega shout out. Maria Milet Histol, thank you so much. Teacher Jen, JNV, also mega shout out. And to Jeron TV, also mega shout out Jeron TV. Ari May, also mega shout out to you also. Ari May, maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. And also to our new VIP member, thank you so much. Study Batch 92, thank you so much. You're welcome sa membership ni Ate Inday. Grabe. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. At sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport sa akin, thank you so much. And I'm very blessed and happy, mga ka-Inday, to all of your supporting details. Supporting details talaga. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. And also, by the way, and also to, sorry guys, mega shoutout also to Sandy Junior Vlog. I'm very sorry, Sandy Junior Vlog. Mega shoutout to you, Sandy Junior Vlog. Thank you so much also for joining my membership. Maraming salamat. So, we will check now, guys, our paluto-luto ni Ate Inday. Ano na nangyari? What is now the... O, diba? I don't know, mga ka-Indays, if... So, ito na po yung kalagayan natin. Kalagayan talaga. I think it's already... This one is already finished. Or, I mean, it's already cooked. Then, we have to put a little bit of black pepper. Yes? I don't know if kailangan ito ng black pepper, mga ka-Indays na. Just only a little bit. And also for the salt, I don't know if I have to put salt on it because the clams is also a little bit salty, so we have to taste it first. So we will see. Sarap. So we have to put a little bit kasi he is not salty, guys. So we have to put a little bit salt on it. Yes. And later we have to add the spinach. So we have to add our spinach. Yes. We have to put a lot of spinach, guys, because there's a lot of vitamins. Yes, diba? Vitamina, dyan na siya. Diba? There's no so much a lot of water. Masyadong madami yung tubig ko, mga ka-Inday. Ayun, mga ka-Inday, kain po tayo. Ang sarap. May coke po ako dito, o diba? At of course, ulam natin. At saka yung mangga, mga ka-Inday. So, actually, itong mangga ko is hindi siya masyadong like in the Philippines talaga. So, sarap. Sana nakapiling ko lahat pamilya ko nito kumakain. Char. Lalagyan ng shell. Diba? Sarap, guys, kasi hindi siya masyadong maraming sabaw. Coke. Init ng panahon mga ka-Inday. Susunod ko. Kain tayo, kain. Nakasabaw pa ako. Masarap ito lalo na kapag winter siguro. Kasi ang sabaw. Masarap nga ka. Makadaming rice tayo nito mamaya. Ano na yun guys, kapag hindi siya bukas, huwag bubuksan kasi hindi siya okay. Okay naman siya. Diba? Huwag kalami ah. Sanog mangga. Hindi ko alam kung magkulang ba itong rice ko guys. Kasi ang daming rice na kinuha ko. Diba? Ang sarap. Sarap guys. Matamis-tamis yung sabaw. The soup is sweet. Grabe. Tadanji, come over here. Let's eat. Yung ganyan yung higop guys. I think my rice is not enough. Hindi siya masyadong maganda guys kasi may ano oh, yung parang may bunot. Parang may mga ano siya, mga ang tawag nito? Basta bunot sa Bisaya. Mahirap Tagalogin. Guys, rice is finished. I don't want to get another rice guys kasi oh my god. So kainin ko itong liso buto ng mangga. Ang tamis niya, guys. In fairness. Pero may ano lang, oh, may mga buhok-buhok. So guys, I'm done. So, iwanan ko para kay asawa. Diba? He is very, very fan of mango, guys. I love mango. So, thank you, Lord. I'm full, I'm full, I'm really, really full. Look at, guys. Ito yung naiwan. At ito yung walang naiwan. O, diba? Empty rice plate. So, mga ka-Indies, I have to end this vlog. So, sorry po if you are hungry. Sorry po sa mga gutom dyan. I'm very, very sorry talaga. So, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Inday Mars. And also like this video if you like. And also, click the notification bell, mga ka-Inday, so every time I had a new videos, you will be notified. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye, mga ka-Indies!